Windows 11 is the latest version of Microsoft's widely used Windows operating system, offering a sleek and modern user experience. But, as with other, newer OS, Windows 11 2022 Update version 22H2 has its fair share of bugs and known issues. Users have reported crashes and freezings with remote desktops, taskbar, Office 365, and application updates. According to Microsoft, the Windows Remote Desktop application might freeze when connecting via a Remote Desktop Connection Broker or Remote Desktop Gateway. Users may also encounter issues during the configuring remote connection or loading virtual machine phases when trying to connect to a virtual machine. And, in still other cases, the RDP may fail to respond or send an error message indicating that the connection has ended. If your computer is freezing with Windows 11, there are a few workarounds. But please note that these are quick fixes and won't solve the underlying issue causing the freezing problem. You can terminate the remote desktop using Windows Task Manager, or you can enable to turn off UDP on client policy, or you can restart the device manager for frozen OS. You can also try adjusting the virtual memory, updating the outdated GPU drivers, or, when all else fails, you can force a shutdown of your Windows PC. Please do this sparingly, as it can damage the components of your device. But really, the best and simplest thing you can do is contact MyChoiceSoftware. Our team of experts can help walk you through the steps needed to fix any freezing issue and get your computer back up running in no time.